Mangalam Kali is a vibrant tribal dance ritual rooted in the cultural traditions of the Mavilan community, primarily found in the Kasaragod and Kannur districts of northern Kerala. This folk art form is deeply intertwined with the social and spiritual life of the tribe, often performed during auspicious occasions such as marriages and communal celebrations. The term Mangalam itself signifies prosperity and blessings, making the dance a symbolic invocation of harmony and good fortune. The dance is traditionally performed by both men and women, reflecting the egalitarian spirit of the Mavilan tribe. Dancers form a circle and move rhythmically to the beat of the Thudi, a small tribal percussion instrument that sets the tempo for the performance. Accompanying the drumbeats are folk songs sung in the native dialect of the Mavilans, which narrate stories of love, nature, and ancestral wisdom. These songs are not merely musical, they are oral archives of the tribe's history, values, and rituals. Mangalam Kali is characterized by its graceful yet energetic movements. The choreography begins with slow, deliberate steps and gradually builds into a lively crescendo, mirroring the emotional arc of celebration. The dancers often wear traditional attire made from locally sourced materials, adorned with simple ornaments that reflect their connection to nature. The circular formation and synchronized steps symbolize unity, continuity, and the cyclical rhythms of tribal life. What makes Mangalam Kali particularly compelling is its role as a living cultural expression. It is not staged for spectacle but emerges organically from the community's shared experiences. The dance serves as a medium for storytelling, healing, and social bonding. It also reflects the tribe's Dravidian heritage, incorporating elements of indigenous medicine, food habits, and spiritual practices into its performance context.